In La Liga, Barcelona moved clear at the top of the table for now with an emphatic 5-0 victory over Rayo Vallecano. David Villa got the scoring underway after 20 minutes with his 4th goal of the season. The Catalan Giants had to wait until the second half for Lionel Messi to double their lead, but Xavi, Cesc Fabregas and another Messi strike compounded Vallecano to a 5-0 thrashing.
Well,
I've always thought before the game that we can win. If I focus on every game, I think there is a possibility to win. We know how difficult it is to make 25 of 27 points. A figure is not easy to do. Anyway, I think some teams could have drawn the game with us. But we've always tried to the end to win them. We were bold, so I think we were worthy of these points.
In the day's other games, Malaga could only draw away to Espanyol, while a Salvador Sevilla goal gave Betis 3 points against Valencia. So Barca put a 3-point gap between themselves and Atletico Madrid, who play Osasuna later today.